my channel. Today is gonna be another vlog. I'm actually on my way to an appointment today, and then I have to take my car because I'm not in my car today. I have to take my car to the mechanic because something's wrong with it, and we have to find out exactly what's wrong with it. So yeah, so basically we're gonna see what's wrong with the car. I'm in my hubby's car right now, and then yeah, I don't know what exactly we're gonna do for today, but yeah, I'm on my way now, and then I will check in with you guys in a little while to see what exactly, like the update of the car and stuff like that. But yeah, today I'm definitely gonna be vlogging for you guys, so I will check in with you guys in a little while. Bye. Hi loves, so I made it back home already, and I stopped at Family Dollar because I got inspired by Melissa Flores. She is such an awesome like YouTuber, and she did a vision board the other day, and like I got inspired. I was like, I want to do something like that, and I want to hang it up in my beauty space back here, and I want to hang it up and I want to look at it every single day and just put my goals out there. So I went and bought a board, and I got some magazines. I'm gonna get one more so I can cut it up and then like paste everything out. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut everything out. I'm gonna lay it out, see which ones I want to post on the board, and then once I cut it out, I'm gonna lay it out and I'm gonna show you guys what I put on my vision board. I'm like so excited to try it out because I've never done one before, and I got so inspired by her. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna lay out all my goals that I want to achieve this year. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut up the things that I want to put on my board, and I'll be right back to show you guys what I put on the board. So I'll be right back. Good afternoon, my loves. I know I look super glammed because I just finished filming like 2 videos for my beauty videos basically. So today I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be home, but I am gonna be cleaning, decluttering my drawers because look at the mess that I have. Like, I have a total mess. I'm definitely going to be decluttering and donating the clothes that do not fit me anymore, or I just don't wear them anymore. Like, I need to get rid of them because I'm just accumulating way too much stuff and I don't like it. So I'm gonna be doing that today, and yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me, cleaning the house, decluttering, and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to have some lunch with my baby girl, and then we can get started with this vlog. So keep on watching. Okay, loves, so I finished organizing my 2 drawers that are like, they were like super like overpacked. Like I couldn't even stick anything in there because they were so jammed packed. So I got rid of some clothes that I don't use anymore, or you know, I haven't touched in over a year. Like I got rid of it. So I put them in a bag so I can donate them, of course. Like I always donate anything that I throw out. I always donate. Like I never just throw it in the garbage. I rather donate it for someone to use. So I'm gonna go to my closet and see if I have anything in there that I also want to get rid of, because like I'm on a mission. Like I need to get rid of some clothes that I don't use no more. Like they're just taking up space, and I hate the fact that it's just taking up space that I need to put away other stuff. Like I have new clothes that I, you know, like I buy once in a while. So that is why I try to like clean out my closet like every like 4 to 5 months, because if, I mean, this closet will be jam-packed if I do not clean it. That's how bad I am. But I'm gonna look through here and then I will check in with you guys in a little while, because I think I need to, I want to clean up my beauty, not my beauty room, my filming room, because I want to change some things around. Like the backdrop, I want to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to take you guys with me over there to that room. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, loves, so I finished organizing and I put the clothes in the dryer already. So I'm going to, this is my beauty, not my beauty, it's like my filming room, because I really don't have like a beauty space. My closet is basically my beauty makeup space area, because this room is the spare bedroom and I use it to film. But yeah, so I'm in my filming room right now. I need to package up 2 purses that I sold on eBay, and I'm about to do that right now, because every single day I forget about it. It doesn't matter what day it is, like I just keep forgetting to get it. So I'm gonna take them out now, and I have them in this closet because I just need more space. So I sold this purse on eBay. So let me make sure there's nothing in here, because I need to send it out. Like I've been dragging to send this purse out, and I'm about to send it out soon. So, and then I also sold this one that I have here. This one right here, I also sold on eBay. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I like to sell, because if I don't use them for a very long time, like if I haven't used them in 2 or 3 years, like what am I doing collecting them? So it's just, you know, collecting dust. So I basically just sell them and then just keep the money. If I see something else, I'll buy something else. But other than that, like I just get rid of them. I just don't like to keep them. I just don't like to have it cluttered. So that's why I sell my purses and just get rid of them. So the box is downstairs actually, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, my last video that you guys see before this one, I was working on my vision board, and guys, I got so distracted with other stuff, and my daughter got sick with the flu, my hubby got sick, and then I got sick. I was the last one to get sick. Even though I was sick, I still had videos like pre-recorded, and I had them ready to upload. And I thank God that I had videos to upload, because I was sick for at least 4 days, like 4 days, and I was like, I'm so lucky I pre-recorded so many videos that I have them ready to go and upload, because I mean that hit me so hard, really hard. Like I didn't know what to do with myself, and like I hardly ever get sick, and the times that I do get sick, it does hit me hard. Like it hits me like whoa, like it just knocks me down, and I hate that. And the fact that I'm a mom now, and that, you know, I don't have days off, like I have to 24/7. I'm a mom. I have to take care of her. I have to make sure she eats. I gotta make sure she's changed. I make sure she does take a bath. Like there's just so much going on as being a mom. Some people say that being a mom is easy and it's just like whatever. no. Now that she's a toddler, now that she's 3 years old, she's a little bit more dependent on, you know, doing her own things, but she still needs me, you know. She still needs stuff, she still needs attention, and it's like, you know, all of that is just, you know, it's time consuming. And like, I try to get my things done in between, you know, the breaks that she gives me, because I mean, she always wants attention and I want to give her my full attention, but sometimes I want to get work done, I want to get my videos edited, I want to film videos. Like, I take the weekend to do that because my hubby's here on the weekdays, so I try to take advantage and use that time to do like family things. And then on the weekend when he's out working, I usually sit here and film videos, pre-record videos, just so I can have them ready to edit on the weekdays and have them ready for you guys. So basically that's the way I do my schedule, because it just works for me. It works way better for me to film on the weekends when no one's home, just the baby. So yeah, that's basically what I do. And I'm gonna finish my vision board. I haven't finished it yet, but once I finish it, like completely finish it, I will show you guys, because I kind of lost track, because when I got sick and the baby got sick and everybody got sick here, like I just put it to the side and I didn't finish it. Like, I did not finish it, and I want to finish it so I can show you guys the finished, completed vision board. So in my next vlog, I would definitely have it finished and ready for you guys to see. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the box to package this up, and then I am gonna go downstairs because I need to Swift and mop. Yeah, I need to Swift and mop because like downstairs is dirty, and I'm very like anal. Like, I wouldn't say I'm OCD because I'm not OCD. Like, things don't bother me that much, but I like to be a little bit more clean. Like, I don't like to have things laying around for way too long. Like, I could see it for a day or two, but that day or two is gonna drive me nuts. So the next day I have to pick it up. And then if I see crumbs on the floor, like, it just drives me up the wall. So I'm definitely gonna Swift and mop and get that out of the way, and then I think I'm gonna be done with this vlog for today, because I want to edit this vlog for you guys to have it up for Sunday, which Sunday is tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so I want to have this vlog up and ready for you guys to watch. So let's get downstairs to Swifting and cleaning, because that's fun, ain't it? It's so exciting. But let's go downstairs and have some fun cleaning the house. Like, I'm soon gonna be doing a house tour, so look out for that. So yeah, let's go downstairs and just clean. See you guys in a little bit.